Pluto is a dwarf planet in the Kuiper Belt, a donut-shaped region of icy bodies beyond the orbit of Neptune. There may be millions of these icy objects, collectively referred to as Kuiper Belt objects, KBOs, or trans-Neptunian objects, TNOs, in this distant region of our solar system. Pluto, which is smaller than Earth's moon, has a heart-shaped glacier that's the size of Texas and Oklahoma. This fascinating world has blue skies, spinning moons, mountains as high as the Rockies, and it snows, but the snow is red. On July 14, 2015, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft made its historic flight through the Pluto system, providing the first close-up images of Pluto and its moons and collecting other data that has transformed our understanding of these mysterious worlds on the solar system's outer frontier. In the years since that groundbreaking flyby, nearly every conjecture about Pluto possibly being an inert ball of ice has been thrown out the window or flipped on its head. "It's clear to me that the solar system saved the best for last," said Alan Stern, New Horizons principal investigator from the Southwest Research Institute, Boulder, Colorado. "We could not have explored a more fascinating or scientifically important planet at the edge of our solar system." The New Horizons team worked for 15 years to plan and execute this flyby, and Pluto paid us back in spades. Pluto is a complex and mysterious world with mountains, valleys, plains, craters, and maybe glaciers. Discovered in 1930, Pluto was long considered our solar system's ninth planet. But after the discovery of similar intriguing worlds deeper in the distant Kuiper Belt, icy Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet. Pluto is only about 1,400 miles wide. At that small size, Pluto is only about half the width of the United States. It's about 3.6 billion miles away from the Sun, and it has a thin atmosphere composed mostly of nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. On average, Pluto's temperature is -387 degrees Fahrenheit -232 degrees Celsius, making it too cold to sustain life. Pluto is orbited by 5 known moons, the largest of which is Charon. Charon is about half the size of Pluto itself, making it the largest satellite relative to the planet it orbits in our solar system. Pluto and Charon are often referred to as a double planet. Pluto is the only world, so far, named by an 11-year-old girl. In 1930, Venetia Burney of Oxford, England, suggested to her grandfather that the new discovery be named for the Roman god of the underworld. He forwarded the name to the Lowell Observatory and it was selected. Picture of Venetia Burney. Venetia Burney, the girl who named Pluto. Pluto's moons are named for other mythological figures associated with the underworld. Charon is named for the river Styx boatman who ferries souls in the underworld, as well as honoring Charon, the wife of discoverer James Christie. Nyx is named for the mother of Charon, who is also the goddess of darkness and night. Hydra is named for the 9-headed serpent that guards the underworld. Kerberos is named after the 3-headed dog of Greek mythology, and called Fluffy in the Harry Potter novels, and Styx is named for the mythological river that separates the world of the living from the realm of the dead. Pluto's place in mythology can get a little muddled, so we asked Dr. Elizabeth Van Diver, chair of the Department of Classics in Whitman College in Walla Walla, Washington, to clarify the origins of the name. Pluto is the name of the Roman god of the underworld, equivalent to the Greek Hades. However, the Greek name Plauton, from which the Romans derived their name Pluto, was also occasionally used as an alternative name for Hades. But Pluto is definitely the Roman spelling.